How to download Zomboid on PC or laptop. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you the ways to download Zomboid on PC or laptop. First of all, install Steam. So open up a browser. On the web address bar, type in steampower.com. It's going to take you to the official page. And here, all you have to do is go ahead and press on install Steam. Next page, you would need to select the device and then you need to go ahead and run the installation. When you're done installing it, go ahead and create your account and log into your account. When you're logged in, go to stores and on the search box, you need to go ahead and type in the game that you're looking for. Okay, Zomboid, go ahead and select that and the next page is going to take you to the info section. Here, you need to scroll down a bit and go to click on add to cart. Now continue to the checkout procedure and enter in your payment source, all that, and you'll be able to purchase it successfully. When you're done purchasing the game, then go ahead and download and register for the game. Then you can start playing the Zomboid game. So in this way, you could go ahead and download the Zomboid game on your device. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.